Well, guys and girls, this is that big northeast blizzard we're supposed to be having. You got 5 inches or so, maybe 6. Gonna get a couple more, maybe. But guess what? I'm gonna take you on an adventure here. We're gonna go down in the woods, see if we can see any nature or actually see what this blizzard's really doing. Okay? So come along with me. Well, boys and girls, I'm gonna get down under this here laurel a little bit. Clean me off a little spot here. See if we can have a cup of coffee. I was gonna build a fire, but I think I'm just gonna use my, got a propane burner in here. I think we'll just use it for now because it's snowing pretty hard. And go find something to build a fire with, and all it's going to be a little time, more time probably. You guys want to sit there and watch me mess with a cup of coffee maybe. So I thought we'd try it this way. But anyway, we'll see if we can get us a cup of coffee here out in the woods here. It's cold, nasty out, and haven't seen any deer or any game for you guys to look at, so we're just going to go ahead and hang out here a minute, cook us a cup of coffee, and let you guys see what's going on here. Okay. There we go. Look at that. We got her cooking already. So we'll get us a cup out here. And, get us a little bit of coffee here for a minute. See what we can come up with. I just buy this cheap instant stuff for out on the trail, and it works pretty good. It don't taste as good as good pot brewed stuff, but it's not too bad. It's warm out in the trail. It don't take it very long here to get hot, so a couple minutes. But anyway, folks, hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think. Leave some comments, and we'll try to make more for you. Now she's already boiling in there, so I'm not going to wait any longer. We're going to go ahead and pour it in here. She's a steaming pretty good already, so I think we're already hot enough to drink her. I don't want it too hot, I can't drink it. So, but anyway, let me show you folks what you can do on a bad day like this. Out in the woods on a blizzard and drinking a cup of coffee.